Hey class 8, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing here our chapter 4 DAV Maths class 8 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. Today we are start here our worksheet 3 of this chapter. So from question number 1 to question number 4 all questions are simple and all are the questions of inverse variation here. So here this is our question number 5. Our question number 5 is a train 280 meter long is running at a speed of 42 km per hour. How much time will it take to pass a man standing on a platform? In this question, we have given that the length of train is this 280 meter and the speed of the train is 42 km per hour. And in this question, firstly, we have to convert these units to meter per second. Here we have to make the same units here firstly, then I write firstly here answer. Speed of train which is equal to 42 km per hour. Here the length of the train is in meters. Here so I have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second here. So I also write this as 42 km. This per means divide upon this per means divide. Then I write here in here R. And when we convert kilometer into meter, we have multiply by 1000 to this is 42 multiply by 1000. Then this kilometer is converted into meter upon, and we know that there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. So I write here 3600. Then double zero cancels this double zero. This is a even number. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. Again this is a even number. Here this is a even number. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 21 multiplied by 5, 5 1s are 5 here, 5 2s are 10. 105 upon this 9, 5 plus 1 6 upon 9 divisible by 5 plus 1 6 divisible by 3, 9 is also divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Here this is 35 upon 3 meter per second. Now firstly I have to make a table for this question here. This is a table for this question. I write in first box distance which is in meter. Then in next line I write here time which is in second. So the length of the train is. So here we calculate the speed of a train in meter. This is 35 upon 3 here. Time in second means per second. Per second means 1. 35.3 meter in 35 meter per second means time is here 1 means per second means 1 here. Now we have also given that the length of train is 280 meter and we have to find in this question that how much time will train take to pass a man standing on a platform. Then let this time be x here, and we know that distance taken by a train to pass a man standing on a platform is equal to the length of a train which is equal to 280 meter. So in this question now we have to find that is this question of a direct variation or inverse variation. So these questions are little bit different from the other ones. This is a very useful trick here to find that it is a case of the direct variation or it is a case of a inverse variation. If we have given, we know the formula to calculate the distance here. We know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. If in questions we have given that distance from the left hand side and time from the right hand side, then it is a case of direct variation. And if we have given that distance, d stand for distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, s stand for speed, t stands for time. If we are given that distance and speed in question, distance and speed in question, so it is also case of direct variation. And in question, d is equal to speed multiplied by time. If we have given speed and time both from the right hand side, then it is a question of or case of inverse variation. So in this question, we have given distance and time. Distance and time. Our first case one. First one, second one, third one. We have distance is equal to speed multiplied time. We have in this table distance and time here. One from the left hand side, another one from the right hand side. And then it is a case of direct variation. So I write here, it is a case of direct variation. And we know how to calculate the direct variation. X upon y is equal to k constant. I write here 35 upon 3. I write here 35 upon 3 multiply by this x, which is equal to 1 multiply by 280. Now from here I calculate the value of this x here. X is equal to 280 multiply by this 3 upon 35. Here 0 is in upper one and in second number here is 5. Both are divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. From here 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. Then I write it as x is equal to 8 multiplied by 3, which is equal to x is equal to 24 second. I also write x is equal to this 24 second. So here time taken by the train to pass a man standing on a platform is equal to 24 second. So this is the solution of our this fifth question. Stay connected with us for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. That's all in today's video.